Hi.
We don't. I forgot.
Amateur Bear Grylls here.
I forgot that. Dude, this is fucking. Look, it's fucking snow.
It's snow.
Yes, it's rocks. Okay, so Alex and Goose here with Couch Ninja Warriors. I didn't bring a tripod or anything. We're doing an impromptu shoot in the snow. We're back at the mud pit. Yeah, we're gonna go set up some targets.
Mom, if you could hear this, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to come out here. I was dragged. I hate you. You know that? I hate you. Why am I filming?
Because we're hilarious people who need their commentary recorded.
No, we don't.
Oh god. It's fucking cold. Oh jeez, my hands. I got gloves in the car.
Oh.
I think we're gonna need those.
Gloves!
No. No, why?
Oh, gloves! How do you open this stupid thing?
Screw this. Oh, good thing we were super prepared for this. Are we having fun, Goose?
No.
Everybody knows that before you go shooting, you should drink a shit ton of coffee. That's how you're nice and phlegmy. What are you saying?
Now I'm gonna steal your child.
Why are you speaking these weird haikus?
I'm speaking weird haikus.
Okay, well, this thing is running now, so.
Okay. Thanks for shining it in my face. Means a lot to me.
I wanted everybody to see your beautiful face.
Alex, walk slower.
No.
Alex,
Walk fast.
walk slower.
No, slower you walk the longer we're out here. Oh, my feet are so wet.
I forgot what my feet feel like. Are we gonna snuggle tonight for warmth? Tut tut today, Junior.
What is wrong with you?
What's wrong with me?
Yes.
How much time do you have?
How much time do I have?
Yes.
What does that mean?
Because I'm gonna do a lot of complaining about you.
Okay.
It's fun, Alex.
Alright.
The Mexican version of Fat Albert. Move it, move it, move it! Run! Run! Run!
Where's my weapon, you?
Run!
Get a light fire. Oh, guess I need to take the safety off.
Run!
Still doing that shit. Why aren't you over here?
I'm running! Run! Okay, go.
Doing the shit I was doing before. Ow!
I can't even see the balloon. Good job. Wrap it up, we're good. Is that warm? Is the tube warm?
I'll give you a warm tube.
Thank you.
Maverick 88.
What?
Maverick 88.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Sucks ass. I don't know if I want this gun.
Did that look like I should go to the hospital? I can't bend it.
Okay. If you do a course of fire where you go prone, we'll go home.
What? What? Could you say that to the camera, please?
I said if we
So
do
I have evidence that you tried to murder me.
If you do a course of fire where you go prone, we can go home.
Do you have a change of clothes for me?
No, I'll take you home where you have a change of clothes.
You're gonna warm me up?
No. I'll take you home to your lady.
You gonna touch my no-no spots? So I'm warm?
Good God. I have to do so much editing. The bullets go forward.
They are forward.
There you go. Okay, safety's already off.
Safety's off.
Yeah.
Kill!
No, get back here! Get back here! Goose! Oh, this is all for nothing now. Goose, you dick.
Woo! Kill!
This is pointless.
Budgies are coming! Budgies are coming! Budgies are coming!
Oh, God. Oh, God.
This is Alexander, so he likes to have people murder themselves by laying in puddles.
I prefer the term assisted suicide.
Assisted suicide. Even though he's neither a doctor nor a nurse, nor really anything really.
Back in the puddle, Goose. Get in the puddle. I will get
next to the puddle.
I will get in the puddle after you.
How about this?
How about you get in the puddle?
Me into the puddle. Freaking hate you, man.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Woo! Sexy. On your mark, Goose. You got a war cry.
Can I do it with my boxers? That way I have like pants that are clean. No.
You want to go in your boxers? I don't think the viewers want to see that.
I'm a viewer.
Do you have an open fly boxers?
I don't
I don't want your dick coming out. I think I'll get banned from YouTube.
I don't even know where you are. I just see a light. There you are.
Okay, see the puddle right in front of the truck?
I do.
Okay. War cry.
Holy crap!
Oh God! Whoa, it's still loaded. Still loaded. There's 5 rounds in there.
It's not loaded.
Oh, I thought I only counted 4.
Oh, we're good.
Okay.
Woo! That's crazy. Woo! That hurts. Look.
All right, my turn.
Oh boy!
All right, here.
Hold on. I think I landed on a rock or something. It's like killing me.
Oh, this is fun.
Sucks. Probably like a ringworms or some shit.
Oh God.
What?
Here, record.
Okay.
Give me the rifle.
Hey, whoa!
What?
You seem like you have more clothes on than me.
It's got holes in it. I don't think it's gonna provide any more clothing.
Okay.
All right.
Give us your war cry.
Ah, it's fucking cold. Oh, fuck me. Oh God.
Woo!
Oh fuck.
You ready to go?
Woo. Okay, let's go get those sticks. Let's get the fuck out of here. What'd you think of rainy warfare?
It started off cold. As we got going, it warmed up. I'm not too cold right now. It's merely just the adrenaline of me jumping in that puddle. It's what keeps me going right now. Other than that, fun adventure.
Yeah. You want to do it again?
Maybe in the summer.
Maybe in the summertime.
Summertime.
It's Alex from Couch Ninja Warriors. And we're going home. Suck it.
Suck it, nerds.
Forgot the dog food bag.
So if you had anything, you had to leave the part where we jumped in the puddle.
What?
I mean, if all you posted the part where we jumped in the puddle, then that's all you're leaving. I feel sorry for you, man.